Good morning, everybody. Today is January 8th, 2020, and I would like to discuss with you what to buy in the stock market today after Iran attacked US military bases in Iraq. As we all know, after this initial attack happened, Dow Jones futures went down by 400 points because everybody was afraid that it's going to be a start of World War III. But as we all know, Dow Jones recovered and actually went up this morning over 150 points. So just like I said in my yesterday video, I recommend you to buy Dow Jones by investing into exchange traded funds with a ticker DIA that currently trades at $287 a share. I actually personally did it myself yesterday, and before knowing that the attack is going to happen, and I actually was able to make around 50% profit since I trade stock options on this exchange traded funds by buying it for 70 cents per call and selling it for around $1.10. So basically, the reason I'm saying that we should continue investing and be positive about this stock market, because Iran basically demonstrated that the only real weapon to reach United States are ballistic missiles. And I'm not sure if you know, but ballistic missiles are very easy to detect because they don't go like cruise missiles very low to the ground where the radars cannot really see the missile approaching the target. They actually go very high up in the atmosphere, and obviously such big trajectory is very easily detected by satellites and radars, and trajectory is very predictable, meaning that the interceptors could pretty easy detect and destroy those missiles if these missiles are projected to hit a substantial target. So basically what happened is that Iran demonstrated their main weapon of war, and this main weapon of war is not really that dangerous because we have weapons to intercept them and destroy them. So, and plus they're very slow and highly detectable. So I think the market will go up and everything should be fine. And also, one thing that I wanted to also mention is that Donald Trump, unless it's a catastrophic hit on the United States, which I don't see this happening with current weapons that Iran possesses, will not respond immediately to any kind of Iran attack or aggression. And the reason is very simple. Iran could orchestrate such a strike at any time and could get financially prepared for such an event by manipulating US financial markets. By that I mean that if we know that Iran is going to hit us tonight or tomorrow, then Iran, through the third party, could actually purchase stock options such as puts on the US stock market, which basically bet that the stock market is going to collapse, and the gains out of those positions, if the market does in fact collapse, could be thousands of percent. And Donald Trump doesn't really want to help Iran to play this scenario by not responding to their attacks, especially if they didn't create any major casualties or destruction of US assets. Because imagine this: Iran buys the third parties, the third banks, buys some positions where they bet on declining of, let's say, Dow Jones. Then what happens is that Dow Jones will decline before before the open session, and Donald Trump responds to this aggression by sending his weapons to Iran, and then the market definitely goes down. And who benefits from it? Somebody who knew about this whole thing is about to happen and took appropriate positions on the stock market. So Donald Trump doesn't respond, the market bounces back, and the position that was supposed to gain a lot of profit suddenly becomes worthless because the market did not go into the appropriate direction that whoever instigated this attack was hoping for. So because of that, I think that the market is still good. You still should buy Dow Jones ETF at the DIA ticker, trading at $287 a share. If you want to see what to do with other stocks, please download our app that's located at 2stx.com. It runs on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. If you want to see other video recommendations, please go to our website, gotyoutube.com. And last but not least, if you want to visit our Facebook page, go to facebook3.com, and it will take you directly to our Facebook page. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.